Why do we sneeze? If you just sneeze, something was probably irritating or tickling the inside of your nose. Sneezing is your body's way of removing an irritation from your nose. What causes sneezing? Almost anything that tickles the inside of your nose can cause sneezing, such as dust, pollen, cold air, and pets.
Created using Powtoon.